Hello everybody, Lonna Lamb here. Welcome to my studio. Well, I've got a great announcement for you. I've teamed up with DecoArt to do a blog for them and a time-lapse video for their sunset paint set. You can grab this paint set on their website and use the coupon code that I've put here in the description for this video right here. And you can go over there and shop. You can see the blog live at 3:30 p.m. Eastern. The video for this goes live on my YouTube channel at 3:30 p.m. Eastern, so you don't want to miss it. You want to check out DecoArt, get your sunset paint set, get ready to paint this beautiful sunset. You're gonna love it. I'm so excited this is coming out today, you guys. Don't miss it. 3:30 p.m. Eastern. Watch the video, go check out the blog. It's got all the instructions on how to do this project.